this lecture, we are going to learn about the operators in Python. Just like in mathematics, Python has operators. Operators are simple functions that perform arithmetic, assignment, logical, and other types of computation in our programs. So there are a total of 7 different types of operators. In Python, operators are special symbols or characters that are used to perform operations on operands, that is, variables, values, or expressions. They allow us to perform mathematical, logical, comparison, assignment, and other operations in our code. The values that the operators operate on are called operands. Let us start with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in Python to perform basic mathematical calculations. They operate on numerical values and return a new value as the result. Arithmetic operators help us to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, exponentiation. Now let us start with examples of the addition operator. In this code, we have 3 variables, x, y, and z. We assign the value 5 to the variable x using the statement x equal to 5. We assign the value 8 to the variable y using the statement y equal to 8. Then we have the line z equal to x plus y. This line calculates the sum of the variables x and y and assigns the result to the variable z. In this case, x plus y is 5 plus 8, which equals 13. So the variable z now holds the value 13. Finally, we have the line print z. This line prints the value of z on the console. Since z is 13, the output of print z will be 13. Let us take one more example with different values. You can see that here, when we try to add the variables x and y with values 100 and 246 respectively, we get the output as 346. Now, let us take some example for the subtraction operator in Python. Again, we have 3 variables x, y, and z. We assign the value 200 to the variable x using the statement x equal to 200. We assign the value 100 to the variable y using the statement y equal to 100. Then we have the line z equal to x minus y. This line subtracts the value of y from the value of x and assigns the result to the variable z. In this case, x minus y is 200 minus 100, which is equal to 100. So the variable z now holds the value 100. Finally, we have the line print z. This line prints the value of z to the console. Since z is 100, the output of print z will be 100. Let us take one more example with different values. Here, when we try to subtract the variable y from x with values 300 and 100 respectively, we get the output as minus 200. Now, let us take some example for the multiplication operator. In this code, we have 3 variables, x, y, and z. We assign the value 50 to x using the statement x equal to 50. Value 30 to y using the statement y equal to 30. Then we have the line z is equal to x into y, or x multiplied by y. This line multiplies the values of x and y together and assigns the result to the variable z. In this case, x multiplied by y is 50 multiplied by 30, which is equal to 1500. So the variable z now holds the value 1500. Finally, we have the line print z. This prints the value of z to the console. Since z is 1500, the output of print z will be 1500. Similarly, in the second example, when we multiply 387 and 4, we get the output of 1548. Now, let us proceed with some examples of division operators. Again, we have three variables, x, y, and z. We assign the value 45 to the variable x using the statement x equal to 45. We assign the value 3 to the variable y using the statement y equal to 3. Then we have the line z equal to x divided by y. This line divides the value of x by the value of y and assigns the result to the variable z. In this case, x divided by y is 45 divided by 3, which equals 15.0 or just 15. Since both x and y are integers, the result is a float, 15.0, to represent the division result accurately. So the variable z now holds the value 15.0. Then we have the line print z, which prints the value of z to the console, which is 15. Similarly, in the next example, when we divide 746 by 56, we get 13.64. Well, I hope you are keeping up with all these operators, as we are going to learn about a lot of operators in this lesson. Let us now understand the modulus operator. The modulus operator returns the remainder of the division between two operands or values. When we try to find out the modulus of 10 by 3, we get the result as 1, because the quotient will be 3, which means 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Here, 1 is the remainder, which is the result we obtained by Python as well. Let us take one more example, where we try to find out the modulus between 10 and 4. In this case, the quotient will be 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Hence, the remainder will be 2. Now we have understood about the modulus operator. So let us move on with the exponent operators. They help us to perform exponentiation operations. Let us take some examples. In the first example, let's try to fetch the output of 2 raised to the power 3, which can also be termed as a cube of 2, which means we have to multiply 2 3 times, which should output the value 8. We can see that even Python has given us the output as 8. Now let's take one more example. 2 to the power 4, which means we have to multiply 2 by itself 4 times, which results in the output 16. Well, I hope you guys have got a good hold of exponent operators in Python. Finally, let us take a look at the floor division operator, which is denoted by 2 forward slashes. The floor division operator returns quotients rounded to the nearest whole number or integer. Here is an example on your screen. In this case, when we perform the floor division of 13 by 5, the quotient is 2.6. However, since floor division rounds off to the nearest whole number, the value of z will be 2. When we print the value of z using the print function, it will output 2. Now, floor division is useful when you want to obtain the whole number quotient of a division operation, discarding any decimal or fractional part. It is commonly used in scenarios where you need integer results or need to divide items into equal-sized groups. The next category is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used for assigning a value to a variable. Let us check what are the different types of assignment operators we have. The first assignment operator is equal to operator, which assigns right-hand operand to the left-hand operand. Let us take a simple example to understand this. You can see that we have successfully assigned a value of 7 to the variable named x and a value of 3.5 to y. The second assignment operator is plus equal to. This operator adds right-hand operand to the left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand, which means x plus equal to y is equivalent to x equal to x plus y. We have two variables x and y with values 7 and 4 respectively. X equal to 7, y equal to 4. Now, if we run the code x plus equal to y and print the values of x and y, we will get the value of x as 11 and the value of y as 4. You can notice that here the value of x got incremented, but there is no change in the value of y. Let us take one more example. In this, we are trying to execute the code x plus equal to 5, where the value of x is equal to 10. When we execute the code, we get the output as 15. Rest all of the assignment operators work in the same way. So let us take a quick glance at the examples of other assignment operators. Minus equal to or subtract equal to operator. This operator subtracts right-hand operand from the left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand, which means that x minus equal to y is equivalent to x equal to x minus y. So if we take values x equal to 45 and y equal to 12, then we get the result as 33, which means that the value of x got updated from 45 to 33 after getting subtracted by 12. Next, we have the multiply equal to operator. This operator multiplies the right-hand operand by left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand, which means that x multiplied equal to y is equivalent to x equal to x multiplied by y. So if we take the values x equal to 23 and y equal to 4, then the result is 92. After that, we have the divide equal to operator, which divides the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand, which means that x divided equal to y is equivalent to x equal to x divided by y. So for values of x equal to 35 and y equal to 5, the result would be 7. Next, we have the comparison operators. The comparison operators are used to compare one value to another. The result of a comparison is a Boolean value, which can be either true or false. Let us check what are the different types of comparison operators we have. Equal operator. The equal operator returns true if values of both the operands are equal. Let us take some examples to see what happens. 2 equal to results true. But when x is equal to 7, y is equal to 6, x equal to y results false. The next comparison operator is not equal to operator. The not equal to operator returns false if values of both the operands are not equal. Let us take a look at some examples. 4 not equal to 7 results true, but x equal to 8, y equal to 8 results false. The next comparison operator is the greater than operator. If the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand, then the condition becomes true. Let us take a look at some examples. 5 greater than 9 results false. X equal to 34, y equal to 12. X greater than y results true. Next we have less than operators. If the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand, then the condition becomes true. 6 less than 10 results true. X equal to 87, y equal to 10. X equal to 5 results false. X equal to 76, y equal to 36. X greater than equal to y results true. Finally, we have the less than equal to operator. The less than equal to operator returns true if the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. Let's take an example. 12 less than equal to 13 results true, whereas x equal to 87, y equal to 76, x less than equal to y results false. Finally, we have the logical operators. They are used to combine conditional statements. Let's check the different types of logical operators that we have. The first one is the AND operator. The AND operator returns true if both the statements are true. Let's see an example. Here, the value of x is equal to 6. Now let us specify both the conditions. The first condition is that the value of x should be less than 10. And the second condition should be that the value of x should be greater than 1. So x less than 10 and x greater than 1. If we execute this code, it results true. Or returns true if one of the statements is true. X equal to 8, x less than 10 or x greater than 12. It results true. Not. It reverses the logical state of the operand. A equal to true. Not A results false. And with this, we have come to the conclusion of this lecture, where we got to learn about arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and the logical operators in Python.